Alright, folks, before we take you over the concrete jungle streets of the big city, we're now going to take you to the real jungle. Here's Academy Award and mini record Peter Johnson. He's going to let us know where we're headed to next.
It's the original King Kong that made me want to do it. I saw that movie on TV when I was about 8 or 9 years old. I wanted to become a film. I like films that just take you away sweet love adventure. Kong literally does that. I mean, you're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're encountering monsters and creatures from prehistoric times. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island. It was great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, but just have them in your hand because we're about to return to Skull Island.
That's right.
The Universal tram is winding its way through a very rough, narrow trail in Skull Island, allowing the visitors a little sneak peek at some of the wildlife in Skull Island. In a sense, this is like a mini sequel, a mini continuation. We are just taking the Kong and Skull Island and the dinosaurs that we established in our feature film, and this is another day, another incident on Skull Island, using the features and the character and personality of Kong as he appeared in the movie.
Alrighty, people, if you're ready to experience King Kong 360 3D, make some noise! People, let's make some noise for King Kong 360 3D! Alright, how's everybody doing? Everybody doing alright? Yeah? Alright, good. I mean, I've got to check in because that experience is incredible. That experience is pretty intense. Oh, you know what? One can even say that King Kong 360 3D was bananas. Oh, come on. I can tell that you thought that little pun was Peeling. Oh, I'm not done. I'm layering them now. All right, I'll stop. No more banana puns. If I do any more, y'all might split. All right, folks, hold on to your 3D glasses, all right? Because you might be using those later on with the tool. Now, King Kong 360 3D was brought to us by the same folks who brought us the movie King Kong. That's director Peter Jackson and the team at What Effects. What Effects, they're a special visual effects company based in New Zealand, and these are the most advanced technology in filming today to create some amazing visual effects for movies and TV shows. Now, on your screens, I'm going to show you how that attraction, King Kong 360 3D, works. So you're going to see that our tram actually sits on a moving platform that shakes around in conjunction with what you see on the screens. And speaking of the screens, the room we were just in, on your video screens right now, that's the room we were just in with the lights on. You can see how large those screens are. You can also see the moving platform the tram sits on. Now our tram appeared on screen during King Kong 360 3D.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommend for you, click this video on the right. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.